Good morning, student. As we have already done lesson 1, that is growing plants, we have done the revision also of this chapter. Now, from today onwards, we'll start doing the writing work. I hope all of you have your fair copy. The first topic which you need to write in your copy is keyword. Keywords are very important. From every chapter, it is given at the end of the chapter. It is important from the examination point of view also. Okay, these are the important terminologies which you should learn properly. So after writing these keywords in your copy, just learn it thoroughly. Okay, the first point is germination. What is germination? The process by which a seed grows into a new plant is called germination. While reading these keywords, I'll give you a short explanation for those students who have joined this group late. Okay. So as I told you, it is the process of growing a new plant from the seed. How it grows as a new plant? I'll show you with this diagram. As you can see over here, the seed is there. The seed gets proper sunlight, air and water, and it starts developing as a seedling. Then the seedling start having the root, then leaves, and then it develop as a new plant where the cotyledons get separated from it. Okay, so this whole process is called germination process. That's why we call it germination of the seed. And for germination, what does seed require? Seed require warmth, air and water. Okay. Now, second is seed coat. The outer covering of a seed which protect the baby plant present inside the seed is called seed coat. Outer covering of a seed. When you saw any seed, it generally looks brown or green in color. Okay, that is called its outer covering. Like here, I have the diagram of a kidney bean. Kidney bean we call in Hindi Rajma. Rajma looks brown in color from the outside. This brown color coat of Rajma is called seed coat. What seed coat do? It protect the baby plant inside. There is a baby plant or embryo inside this seed which get protected from this seed coat. And this seed, in the front of this seed, there is a hole through which water enters into the seed. Okay. Now, cotyledon. Part of a seed that store food for the baby plant are called cotyledon. Okay. Cotyledon again, what it is? When you dip this dry seed for overnight in the water, next day you will find the seed coat becomes soft and you can easily remove this seed coat. When you remove the seed coat, you find the seed and it can open in this type like two parts. These two parts are called cotyledon. And what cotyledons do? Cotyledons provide food to the embryo or the baby plant. Okay. It store food for the baby plant. This baby plant get food from the cotyledons till it grows as a new plant. And when it grows properly as a new plant, the cotyledon gets separated from this. Okay, like I showed you the germination process. Here you can see that seedling it starts growing as a new plant. Here it is a cotyledon, and when this plant grows properly, the cotyledon gets separated from it. Okay, so till the plant not grows properly, this cotyledons provide food to this plant, and when it grows as a new plant properly, this cotyledons get separated. Okay, now dispersal. The process of scattering the seeds away from the mother plant are called dispersal. Okay. It means the seed of a plant gets separated. Separation of a seed from its mother plant means एक प्लांट के सीड जब उससे दूर जाके कहीं गिरते हैं due to the agents of dispersal, that process is called dispersal. Okay. Agriculture. Agriculture is the practice of growing crops on a large scale for the food और अदर पर्पजेज. हम एग्रीकल्चर बेसिकली क्यों करते हैं? हम क्रॉप्स ग्रो करते हैं फॉर फूड, खाने के लिए, या फिर किसी अदर पर्पज़ के लिए हम उस क्रॉप्स को ग्रो करते हैं, फॉर बिजनेस पर्पजेज ऑल्सो. नाउ क्रॉप्स, plant of one kind grown on a large scale in a particular area during a particular season are called crops. जब हम किसी एक पर्टिकुलर टाइप का क्रॉप, लाइक हम वीट ग्रो कर रहे हैं, तो एक पूरे एरिया में हम उस पर्टिकुलर सीजन में हम वीट लगाते हैं. ठीक. सो उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? क्रॉप. जैसे हमने फसल, क्रॉप्स को इन हिंदी वी कॉल फसल. मैन्योर्स, plants and animal waste used for enriching the soil with nutrients are called manures. हम प्लांट्स, डेड प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स की डेड बॉडीज को सॉइल में डालते हैं टू एनरिच इट, टू प्रोवाइड द न्यूट्रिएंट्स टू द सॉइल, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड मैन्योर. उस चीज़ को हम क्या कहते हैं? मैन्योर. वो एक खाद का काम करता है. नाउ फर्टिलाइजर्स, chemicals or natural substances added to the soil to increase its fertility are called fertilizer. जब हम सॉइल में किसी तरह के केमिकल्स डालते हैं, ओके, या फिर कोई नेचुरल सब्सटेंस डालते हैं जैसे मैन्योर्स, तो हम उसको कहते हैं फर्टिलाइजर्स, क्योंकि ये सॉइल की फर्टिलिटी को इम्प्रूव करते हैं. ठीक है. ओके. नाउ another important term is kharif crops. Okay. Kharif crops basically grown from June to October are called kharif crops. Kharif crops generally include rice. Rabi crops grown from November to April are called rabi crops. Rabi crops include wheat. Okay. Now plugging, to dig and turn over a field with the help of a plow. Before the agriculture starts, the first step of agriculture is plugging. Okay. Before the sowing of the seed, we maintain the field for sowing of the seed, and that process is called plugging. इसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं? उसकी कुड़ाई करते हैं और उसको एक प्रॉपर सीक्वेंस में तैयार करते हैं. इरिगेशन, टू सप्लाई वाटर टू एन एरिया ऑफ लैंड थ्रू पाइप्स और चैनल सो दैट द क्रॉप्स ग्रोज वेल. आफ्टर sowing the seed, our crops starts growing, and for that we need to supply water to that. We supply water through various channels like pipes, tube wells, canals, so many channels. So this process is called irrigation. Okay. Now, first exercise which you need to do in your copy is tick the correct answer. Seeds are present inside the fruits. First option is leaves, fruits, flowers and roots. So the first option is fruit. During germination, the seedling gets food from seed coat, seed hole, cotyledon or embryo. As you all know that seed coat protect the outer covering of the seed, seed hole through which water enters into the seed, embryo is a baby plant, so cotyledon is the thing which is stored food for the baby plant. Maple and cotton seeds are dispersed by wind, water, animals or bird. The answer will be wind. Why? Because maple and cotton seeds are very light in weight, बहुत हल्के होते हैं, तो it can be easily dispersed by wind. Which of the following seeds are dispersed by water? The seed or the plant which grows near water can be easily dispersed by water. Mango do not grows near water. Coconut, yes, coconut grows near water. So the answer will be coconut. Which part of a bryophyllum plant gives rise to new plant? I explained you while explaining the chapter. Stem, no. Root, no. Leaf of the bryophyllum plant. Through leaves, a new plant develops. So leaves of the bryophyllum plant gives rise to new plant. The answer will be leaves. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to do tick the correct options and that keywords in your copies and learn it properly. Thank you.